My time at the University of Regina was a lot of hard work. It taught me the need to work together with people and cooperate, communicate and listen. Really working to listen, cooperate, work together and get along. Accept people for who they are, what they bring. That's important life's teachings going forward as well. That's all from the University of Regina.
I'm proud to have known and worked with Perry for over 25 years. Perry is a consummate communicator. He's very skilled in communicating to both First Nations people and non-Indigenous people. He is clear and concise. There's no ambiguity. He's always straightforward, and that is the strength of his voice. He is a public policy influencer today, and he continues to do good work in that area. He's an asset to the University of Regina, to Canada, to the First Nations people in Canada and internationally.
I graduated from the University of Regina with a business administration degree in 1984. And then in 1986, based on the elders again and the people urging me to come back home to help out at the tribal council, I got elected as the vice chair or the vice chief at the then time it was called the Touchwood File Hills Qu'Appelle Tribal Council. I was quite young. I was 26, I believe. And that was the start of my First Nations political leadership career. Again, on the urging a lot of the old people, the elders and some of the chiefs, they said, you should run for the tribal chair. So I ran in 1988 for the tribal council chair or the tribal chief's position, and I was successful. Then in 1998, I ran for the Federation of Saskatchewan Indian Nations chief, grand chief. And then of course, from 2014 until 2021, I was a national chief for the Assembly of First Nations. So I've been in elected positions since 1986 at pretty much every level there is. And at every level we say, working with a team, you're able to achieve things. And always guided by the elders, the knowledge keepers, the old ones. And that was really my grounding going forward. Another person that really influenced me a lot, of course, was my mom. And she taught me the whole importance of hard work and commitment. If you start something, you finish it. And that was very important growing up.
I have known Perry since before I entered politics by reputation, and especially since I got into politics in 2015. Always been a pleasant interaction with former National Chief Perry Bellegarde, who has been a forceful advocate of his people, collaborative with the federal government without compromising his principles, which is an incredible asset in that space. Perry has had one of the most difficult positions, political positions in this country, and his ability to interact, engage, collaborate, resist has been really unmatched in this space.
What drew me to a life in leadership? Basically a lot of the old people. The knowledge keepers, the elders, constantly advised me about the importance and relevancy of treaties and treaty rights and how to keep working to make a difference. It was all about peaceful coexistence and mutual respect between our peoples to share the land and resource wealth and to work together to improve the quality of life for all peoples. What I'm most proud of is the fact that I've led with commitment, dedication, and integrity. I'm very proud of that. And by working with a team of people, with elders, with women, with youth, we were able to achieve many things at different levels.
Congratulations on winning this award. You deserve it. You've earned it. You should enjoy the moment. You are, I think, a role model for so many Indigenous youth that are looking at the political arena and looking to get in. I think you are an inspiration to many non-Indigenous folks who have seen your leadership really shine through very, very difficult periods. And I think history will judge those achievements very, very favorably. So all the best to you, Perry. Enjoy this moment, and there will be many more.
I believe Perry is fundamentally a bridge builder and a most deserving recipient of the Alumni Crowning Achievement Award from the University of Regina.
Well, receiving this award, especially in my home province, my home territory, is very important when you're recognized from your peers and your colleagues from your home territory. That's very important. It means everything to me.